Alright, what is up, boys? I'm back. It's March 6th today, Friday. Just took one trade for the day on the only XFA I have at the moment. You're getting a trade recap from bed. I look, you can't be bothered going to my desk. I'm super jet lagged and tired. It's 1:40 a.m. in Australia. I smacked for $650, which is pretty sweet. Little one-to-one. And let's get into it. Coming into the day, I was quite bearish. We had NFP news at 8:30. I ended up passing an Apex account off of that. I don't know why I bought it. It was like 30 Australian dollars. So I was like, fuck it, I might as well. I didn't even know we were in 4 hour gap. I'm not going to try and allocate on other firms until next week, I reckon, or until I get a payout so I can just reinvest the ROI. I've been trading like shit while I was overseas, but it took a few weeks off, so now we're chilling. Alright, coming into the day, I was quite bearish. The daily, we've literally just been ranging for the past month. It's stupid. We have these daily lows that I wanted us to come and flush down to off open, but we didn't. 4 hour, I guess we're in a 4 hour gap, I didn't even know. That coming into session, off open, not open, this was NFP actually. We came and tapped this 1 hour fair value gap and we moved like literally like 250, yeah, nearly 300 points, which was pretty ridiculous. I wanted us to retrace into a 15-minute gap and then continue lower. We've now retraced into an hourly. We're probably going to move lower out of this. We had these two 15-minute gaps. They didn't mean a whole lot to me. I wanted us to come, pardon me, back into equilibrium of these gaps before going lower, but I mean, very contradicting. I did take a long today, just because there was a huge SMT, so we can see ES came and took this daily low out and also took this daily low out as well, like off NFP made it tap into that 1 hour fair value gap as well, while Nasdaq had SMT at this daily low and SMT at this daily low. Now let's get into sort of the trade recap. The only so this SMT was like my high time frame bias for the trade. We had the unfilled 15-minute fair value gap here at the time was my target for the trade. So we came and tapped into this 5-minute fair value gap. I don't know if it really counts as a good tap into the 5-minute fair value gap or whatever. Like, I don't know. We also tapped into this 5-minute order block. I don't really be using order blocks too much. But we did tap into that. The main thing I was intrigued about was we tapped into the golden ratio of this range, and I've drawn it incorrectly. And we are just fucking everything up. The main thing I was interested in was us tapping into the golden range of this swing high and swing low. So we came and tapped into 0.618 and 0.786 or whatever that says there. Here, this was where I entered longs off this 1 minute candle closure. It was low-key a bit of a risky trade. Wasn't the most A plus kind of setup, but we tapped into that, tapped into 1 minute fair value gap. I don't know if we had 2 or 3 minute. Yeah, we had this 2 minute fair value gap as well that we tapped into super nicely, and I was just looking for us to flush as soon as possible. And yeah, we flushed straight away as soon as I saw this candle get created about here, and we were pushing up that high and swept this high. I was like, I'm just going break even, like NFP price action. Holy shit, we are moving super nice right now. NFP price action was super choppy, rangy all through here. So I was like, I want to go break even as soon as possible. We ended up flushing straight to the draw. I just put up the trade of 8. This is what the account balance is sitting at for the past 2 days of trading. So feeling super confident. I'm super happy with how I've been trading at the moment. This was a very discretional based trade, not something I would typically take all the time, but I did like the fact that we tapped into that golden ratio and had pretty decent displacement out of here. Like, it was a bit of a convicting candle. I haven't checked out the market at all, but this looks like it could have been a decent trade to play out to this swing high, but I don't know. Price action has been quite choppy the past few days. And the past few weeks, so I've heard, I haven't really sussed the market or anything. But yeah, that's my recap of the day. I'll catch you boys next week. Peace.